them with everything. Like, I'm seriously gonna turn into a jalapeno pepper. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a Sunday reset. Life has been so hectic lately that I've been just neglecting a lot of housework. Myself, I don't think I've been to the gym in about 2 weeks. Just work's been chaotic. So that is the plan for today. I have quite a few things on my to-do list. I'm making a new Crockpot dinner for the family. I want to clean my laundry room. I'm hoping to get to the gym. And then just tidy up around the house so the house is just clean and ready for tomorrow. Oh, and I also want to wash my area rug in the main entrance because it's getting a little bit dirty. But yeah, so join me if you will, if you want. For dinner tonight, it's the first time I'm doing this recipe, but I'm making crock-pot sausage and potatoes. From what I read, it's super easy to do. So the ingredients is potatoes, smoked sausage, yellow onions, diced tomatoes, salt, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and chicken broth. I unfortunately don't have onions, so we do have to run to the store to grab onions. But yeah, it seems pretty straightforward. And then you cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours, or at least until the potatoes and onions are tender. Now we are in the backyard. I'm gonna pick some salad for lunch. Also some cucumbers. I'll give you guys a quick tour. Now we're just gonna move on to one of my favorite go-to salads. Super easy. Um, so it's literally salad from the garden, cucumbers, mozzarella cheese, hot peppers, and my favorite creamy poppy seed dressing. I'm crazy about these hot peppers. Like, I eat them with everything. Like, I'm seriously gonna turn into a jalapeno pepper. Like, I load it up. Load it up. Hi. Did you finally decide to wake up? Sleepyhead. No, excuse me. Who do you think you are being on the table? Hmm? You look so sleepy. Guys, so just an update. I had to stop vlogging uh for the rest of the afternoon because I end up having to work so much for a um Sunday reset, but that's okay. Silver lining, at least I have less to do tomorrow at work. I don't know. Anyway, so I didn't end up going to the gym. I did end up cleaning the laundry room. Dinner's still in the slow cooker, and the reason why I was able to vlog today is because I've been solo, which is definitely foreign to me. But my family's going to be back soon in a couple hours, and I can't wait to see them. As much as I say I'm an introvert, my glass of wine just fell. Um, I definitely feel lonely when the house is empty. I'm happy. I don't know, it's just weird because I guess I'm an introvert when I can't choose to be an introvert, if that makes sense. But then when I do have alone time, I get anxious, especially without my kids. So I'm uncertain. But anyways, sun is finally starting to come out. It's been raining on and off today. But that's okay. I guess it's good for the flowers and garden and the forest fires. So we're gonna end this vlog, and I hope I was entertaining. I know I wasn't, but I'm being realistic. Chef Caroline is gonna finish dinner. I'm gonna fold another load of laundry, finish this glass of wine, and then hug my kiddos when they get home. And of course, Mark, I'm not forgetting about you, but I do miss the girls. But all right, we'll chat soon. Bye bye.